welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic criteria of two triangles. Criteria of symmetry of two triangles. Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 6.3. Before starting, firstly, let's quickly recap what will you done in previous class. Dear students, in previous class, some of the important topics such as symmetry of triangles, Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem, and criteria for symmetry of two triangles such as angle, 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 angle symmetry, side, side, side symmetry, and side angle, side symmetry. So, using all criteria of symmetry of two triangles, solve some problems of exercise 6.3. So, let us move towards the topic, such as your first question of exercise 6.3. Which pair of triangles are similar? Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question, and also write the pair of similar triangle in the symbolic form. First, which of the following are similar? And if similar, then you write the similarity criterion used for you for answering the questions, and also write the pair of similar triangles. Dear student, your first question here, A equal to, in triangle ABC and PQR, A equal to 60, B equal to 80, C equal to 40, and also P equal to 60 in triangle PQR, Q equal to 80, and R equal to 40 degree. So, angle A equal to angle 60 P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. So, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Yes. Yes. Write the similarity criteria. Angle, angle, angle similarity, and also write the pair of similar triangle in the symbolic form. So, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. In question 2, ABC and PQR, AB equal to 2, here QR equal to 4, BC equal to 2.5, so RP equal to 5 and CA equal to 3, so PQ equal to 6. We observe that AB by QR equal to BC by RP equal to CA by PQ, such that AB by QR, that means 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2, BC by RP 2.5 by 5 equal to 1 by 2, CA by PQ 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. All are equal 1 by 2. So, we say that triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP. Your answer is yes. Yes, by side, side, side. Which criteria? So, side, side, side. And also write the pair of similar triangles. So, triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP. And third question, here Here L, M, P and D, E, F. L, M equal to 2.7. Here D equal to 4. M, P equal to 2. So E, F here, E, F equal to 5. P, L equal to 3. So F, D equal to 6. Here all corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. So this triangle is not too similar. And same way you solve question number 4 and 5 and also see question number 6. Here D equal to 70 degree, E equal to 80 degree. So F equal to in triangle DEF, F equal to 30 degree. 70, 80, 150, 180 minus 150 you get 30 degree. In triangle DEF and triangle PQR, E equal to 80 degree, Q equal to also 80 degree, F equal to 30 degree, R equal to also 30 degree. So both triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR. Yes, which criteria? The angle criteria. And write the symbolic form. So triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR. Dear friends, your first question is finished. Now see another question. In question 2, in given figure, triangle ODC similar to OBA, ODC similar to OBA and BOC equal to 125, BOC equal to 125 and CDO equal to 70 degree. Dear friends, find DOC, DCO and OAB. Dear friends, DB is a line and CO extend on it. So angle DOC plus BOC equal to 180 degree. DOC plus BOC equal to 180 degree. So BOC 125. So DOC equal to 180 minus 125. That means 180 minus 125 equal to 55 degree. DOC. This angle is 55 degree. And in triangle DOC, D 70 degree, O 55 degree, then C equal to what? We know that angles of property, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. So angle DCO equal to 180 minus 70 plus 55 equal to 180 minus 125. That is 55 degree. Dear friends, DCO equal to 55 degree. So you find DOC. It is a 55 degree. But it is given that triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. A. So all corresponding angles are equal. So DOC equal to 55 degree and DCO equal to also 45 degree and OAB, this angle. Since triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, so OCD equal to 55 degree, so OAB equal to also 55 degree, because both triangles are similar. It is clear that DOC 55, DCO 55 and OAB also 55 degree. Dear friends, next question, that is third. Diagonals AC and ABD of trapezium ABCD. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect at point O using similarity criteria for two triangles, so that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Dear friends, given that ABCD is a trapezium, diagonals AC and BD intersect at O such that AB parallel to DC. To prove OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Now in triangle OAB and OCD, OAB, this angle equal to OCD, alternate interior angles, and AOB equal to COD, vertically opposite angles. So both, and also this angle B equal to the alternate interior angles. So both triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle AOB similar to or OAB similar to OCD. In triangle OAB and OCD, angle OAB equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angles, and angle AOB equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles. Only two triangles OAB similar to triangle OCD by angle similarity. Therefore, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Proved. So dear friends, solve in same way. Next question itself. And today's class is over, and your homework is do examples question of this chapter 6. Thanks, have a nice day.